Hello, this is a tutorial to get you started on building your website in Google Sites. So what you want to do is first sign on to Google with your Gmail account or your Google account. Once that's done, you come up to the grid icon in the right-hand corner, click, and you'll need to click more and even more. Then scroll down and you will see Sites. Now, you will not see all of these sites because you haven't created any sites yet. You're just going to click on the red icon that says Create. Stay with the blank template here. Name your site and choose something catchy that hasn't been used before. So I might call mine Ann Orr's Tech Resources. Okay, and unless you get an error message here saying your name has already been taken, you can go on to the next step, which is to select a theme. And you can change this theme anytime you want to in the lifetime of your website. But for now, just go ahead and pick a theme. I'm going to pick Terra Water here. And then you come down, click I'm Not a Robot, and then click Create. Now mine's taking a long time, it's spinning, but eventually it got me to my brand new home page of my website. And if you get the spinning thing of death and nothing is happening and you're just stuck, close out Google, re-sign into Google, go to Google Sites. Your site is probably there. Sometimes it gets hung up in the creation of your site on the first time. So here we are, we have the home page. And by the way, I'm going quickly through this tutorial in this screencast, but just know that there is a step-by-step PDF tutorial that you can print out on Module 1 that walks you through these steps and obviously in a slower format. So you will also want, when you create your website, to have a printed copy of the website assignment because that's going to help you know what pages to create. This tutorial that we're working on right now is just going to help you set up, we've created our website here and now we've got to add some pages. Later, I think in Module 2, we will have another tutorial where we walk you through the steps of adding content to the pages of your website. But for now, we're just building the navigation system. So I'm on the home page and I need to add more pages. So it's really easy to do that. Up in the upper right hand corner, we have the create page icon, that little page with a plus sign. So I click there. We're going to name our page AT Basics. And why am I calling it that? Because on the directions of the assignment, I have listed about 20 different pages that I want included in these websites. And the first one is AT Basics. So we're going to leave the template web page. Instead of putting the page at the top level, we want the page under home. We want all of our pages under home. So we're going to click that second bubble there. And then we come up and we click Create. Now you can see we have an AT Basics page there. And that's great. It's there. Now I want you to click back into the home page. You can see the navigation system is starting to build here on the left-hand side. You've got AT Basics there. If we click there, we'd go to the AT Basics page. But we're going to go back to home, and we are going to add another page. So we can click Create a Page again, and we're calling this page UDL, Universal Design for Learning, and that's the second page that's listed on the website assignment. So UDL. And we want to put it under home and click create. And there you have the UDL page. And you also see your navigation system growing here at left. Click on home and then go to create a page up here. We're calling this one Low-Tech AT. And we put it under home, click create. There you have it. So that's how easy it is to create and then add pages to a website. Now you've got a lot more pages to add, and the way that you're going to do this is to make sure you have a printed copy of the website assignment, and you'll see the rest of the names of the pages listed that you need to include, and you'll just continue to come back to home and click the create page button up in the right hand corner, add your page, and so on and so forth. Couldn't be easier. Check the PDF walkthrough if you need to in Module 1 for step-by-step directions. By the way, one last comment. When you sign off and you sign back on to Google, you go to Google Sites, you will see your website there and waiting for you. Okay, bye.